everyone. It's a pleasure to see all of you in Goa. I just totally agree with Madhur. I think we did a lot behind corporate. We worked really hard for it. And I think all actors and all directors worked really hard to make a film. And it's judged very soon in life, that's one Friday we get. But to get this kind of response from corporate, especially for me as an actress, I think it's an honor, and I'm going to remember this film always in my film career. And the fact that it has gone to many festivals, and today it's in IFFI. It's a special festival for me because this is the second year around I'm here. I just hope next year I can come back to IFFI with a really good film again. And I want to thank my director for having me in this film. Thank you. Thank you.
What's your experience in doing the role?
See, it was a very real kind of, I could totally relate to the Nishigandha Dasgupta's character because it's of today's girl, a working woman who handles, who falls in love, who does a lot for love, who sacrifices a lot in love, yet she's a career-minded woman. So I do identify with her because my emotions also are like that. I am a very hardworking person. I am very responsible at work. But back at home, I have a very soft heart and I am as emotional as Nishi could be. It's all, and we all get these tags when we enter the film industry, and we're all accepted or rejected time and again. But I just believe as an actor, I have been very, very lucky that directors and the audience have accepted me in various kinds of roles, small, big, item girl, sex symbol, realistic actress, just say it. I think I have been accepted with, open arms by media and by my fans, and I think today I'm here, and I'm also again rejoicing. Dhoom has just opened to full houses, so I have many reasons to celebrate being an actress today. So the position I'm in at this point of time, I can just say that I'm very comfortable, and no matter how many tags I might get, I don't think it's stopping me from doing the kind of work that I want to do.
Sorry.
How did the character came to you?
See, the character came to my mind while writing the script. We thought it should be from this woman's point of view. And earlier also my film have been like that, Satta, Chandni Bar and Peshri. And then we wanted a Bengali character only for this role. And then definitely I thought, okay, why not Bipasha for it?
But I didn't speak any Bengali in the
I know.
Unfortunately. Wow.
Because me, my writer, we just thought that this Nishigandha Das Gupta, the name sounds very nice and it's a Bengali character, so I said better stick to it. And I felt that from a woman's point of view, a lot of people ask me why not a male, because corporate is completely male oriented. But why female? I said no, because certain subjects in our country, I think the female protagonist is stronger than the male protagonist. Yeah.
Thank you, Madhu Bhandarkar. Somebody is making films for women. We need to applaud these directors because we women get some roles because of them. Yes? Okay. They are the major audience. We need to please them. So we need to give them roles too. Okay, thank you. What's my most favorite scene? I think the jail sequence when KK comes to meet me and to tell me where everything's going to be fine. I think there was a beautiful connection between me and KK as actors. I think at that point of time you could just, KK could possibly be my true lover at that point of time. That's how I felt at that moment. So that scene was beautiful, yeah. I didn't have any dialogue in that particular scene, but I think it just came out very magical. जी देखिए, फिल्में देखने का शौक तो बहुत है, लेकिन लास्ट 2 दिन से मैं कोई फिल्म देख नहीं पाई हूँ यहाँ पे. बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं, मैं रीजंस देना नहीं चाहूँगी, लेकिन मुझे आप लोगों मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं मीडिया में जो मुझे बताएंगे कि कौन सी फिल्में अच्छी थी, तो मैं उनको चुन के याद रखूँगी नाम, और डेफिनेटली मैं एक अवसर निकालूंगी कि मैं वो सारी फिल्में देख पाऊँ.
आपकी तरह पे 2 स्क्रीनिंग में, कॉर्पोरेट है और 12 की स्क्रीनिंग है, तो आपके तरह की डबल
This year has been great. I can't ask for more. I just can say that 2007. I hope the happiness keeps on, building more and more. It's great. Omkara also मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म बनाई गई थी. चाहे बहुत सारे लोगों ने उसको क्रिटिसाइज भी किया था, लेकिन मुझे लगता है मेरे हिसाब से, मैं अपने आप को ऑडियंस मानती हूँ, मुझे फिल्म बहुत पसंद आई थी. सो मुझे लगता है विशाल भारद्वाज हमारे एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैंने उनके साथ काम किया.
How did you develop your character? Entirely according to the director or
आई थिंक मेरे डायरेक्टर ने इतनी रिसर्च कर ली थी कॉर्पोरेट जगत की कि मुझे ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना पड़ा. I just needed to feel like a woman, like the girl Nishi would. I had to mature a little more than my age, maybe, to feel what this girl is all about. And I think we always overlook the look part of the character, and we worked on that look because there is a kind of look that I have in many films in the commercial format. We had to move away from that and present Nishi in a very different light, like a working woman of today. So बस हम लोगों ने look पे बहुत काम किया था और बाकी तो हेल्प मेरे डायरेक्टर ने मुझे की थी.
ये ओमकारा में जो लैंग्वेज है उसके बारे में आप क्या उस पर बहुत क्रिटिसाइज
आप जाइए ना यूपी बिहार, ऐसी लैंग्वेज हर आदमी हर मजाक में लोग ऐसे लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं, दिल्ली में बात करते हैं, तो हमें क्यों फिल्म में दिखाते हैं तो इतना क्यों आप लोग झपट पड़ते हैं, समझ नहीं आता है. आप भी गुस्से में आके, होता है ऐसे इंसान बोलते हैं, अभी बुरी बात है लेकिन ऐसे तो लोग बुरा दिखाया है. जिन लोगों ने वैसी बातें की हैं वो लोग बुरे लोग हैं फिल्म में, तो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं उस लैंग्वेज का.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस चांदनी बार पेज 3 कॉर्पोरेट, हाँ, एंड ट्रैफिक सिग्नल.
Traffic signal which are very next, and which you are now trying to promote through this festival. Which is not wrong also.
हाँ.
From what I heard of all these things that are appeared in the press,
See the thing.
I think it is basically respectable. Would you like to continue to do such type of?
Thank you so much for the compliment, sir. I think there are lots of issues in this country which I feel we can make it into films. So why not give a try? Because I don't want to make a film just see a DVD morning I get up. I don't say those people who make the film they should not make, because everybody can get inspired by anything. Technology we import from other people, so why not take DVD and make a movie also? There's nothing wrong in it. But I feel there are a lot of films, lot of subjects which are in the country, and I feel we can just make the film. Why not? I always say myself I'm not a commercial filmmaker, I'm an experimental filmmaker.
No, that is issue specific and even.
They're not issues, see, but I think there should be humor also. In my movies there are humor also, not completely serious.
Eccentric also.
Yeah, but I said now, like, sir, it's if there are lots of subject in which I think women protagonist plays a very vital role in the film. Like Kunal Khemu is playing in Traffic Signal is completely male-oriented film. So it all depends on the subject. I feel tomorrow I should make 2 hero film, so I'll make it. But I'll try to make the kind of genre which I've got into, the realistic or sensible, which I'll always maintain it.
और मधुर, आपकी फिल्में काफ़ी डिफरेंट है, काफ़ी रियलिस्टिक होती है, लेकिन आपने एक जगह कहा है कि सिग्नल के बाद लोग आपको गाली भी दे सकते हैं.
नहीं, लोग गाली नहीं देंगे, मैंने बोला नहीं, मैंने ऐसे नहीं कहा सर, ऐसे मत बोलिए आप, गाली देंगे. मैंने बोला शायद कुछ लोग सिग्नल पे जो अपना व्यवसाय करते हैं शायद उनको ऐसा लगेगा. देखिए क्या होता है कि पिक्चर जो होती है समाज का आईना होता है कहते हैं, और मेरी पिक्चर जजमेंटल नहीं होती है, एक मिरर टू द सोसाइटी है. तो अगर मैं उसमें थोड़ा बहुत ग्रे ब्लैक कैरेक्टर दिखाता हो तो उसमें मुझे नहीं लगता दिक्कत. मैंने मस्ती में ऐसा कहा होगा, शायद सिग्नल पे लोग बोलेंगे हमारा व्यवसाय बंद कर दिया इस पिक्चर ने, पता नहीं. वैसे ही मेरे को बोलते रहते, चांदनी बार में बार बंद हो गया, सत्ता के अंदर वो हो गया क्या अपना स्टिंग ऑपरेशन चालू हो गया, पेज 3 के बाद कोकीन पार्टी रेड हो गई, कॉर्पोरेट में ये हो गया, अपना पेस्टिसाइड इशू हो गया बाहर. तो इसलिए डर ही लगता है अभी पिक्चर बनाने में.
वैसे सच तो यही है कि बाहर
नहीं, हाँ मैं क्या बोला, अच्छा है ना, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन मेरी पिक्चर से रिलेट करते हुए फैशन बना तो फिर वो मैल फंक्शनिंग का आ गया.
समाज का आईना है तो
नहीं नहीं, अच्छी बात है, मैं 100% मैं खुश होता हूँ कि मेरी पिक्चर बनाने के बाद ऐसे हादसे होते हैं। January, sir. January end or February first week, sir.